team of researchers at a university in China decided to try an experiment. They built an AI, they gave it raw data about the physical world, things like how fast objects fall, how they move when pushed, how forces such as gravity affect them, but they didn't actually teach it any physics. They didn't tell it what gravity, energy, what mass were. They just gave it the raw data and let it figure the rest out by itself. The AI started looking for patterns, at first just trying to make sense of the numbers it was seeing. Then it did something nobody expected. It rediscovered Newton's laws of motion from scratch, on its own. The same laws that took humanity thousands of years to figure out, derived from scratch by a machine that didn't even know what physics was an hour earlier. Then they didn't stop it, it kept going. It also worked out the laws of gravitation, also conservation of energy, some of the most fundamental rules of how humanity actually works. Now, just to be fair, the AI didn't discover new physics. It just rediscovered physics that we already knew about. The same laws Galileo was working on 100 years before that when he dropped balls off the Tower of Pisa. Let's just stop for a moment and think about what this actually means. A piece of software with zero education looked at the entire world for a while and, just casually worked out all of the rules. The same rules it took humanity thousands of years to stare at the stars just to figure out. It didn't need it, Newton, Einstein, Galileo. It didn't actually need a single human discovery. It just looked at the numbers and figured it out. Now, let's imagine what happens in 5 years from now, 10 years from now, when someone points an AI like this at quantum physics, but parts of reality that humans haven't really found answers to yet. And it comes back with answers we couldn't have found ourselves. AI isn't just answering the questions we ask it anymore. It's also starting to find answers to questions we never thought to ask.